What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 901 Trey, back again with another video. So, I'm pretty teed off. I'm gonna just go on and get into it with the video and the footage or whatever. So y'all know I went to Rick Ross Promised Land show. I went to the show this Saturday. What was it, June 1st? And man, the whole experience was A1. It was kind of bittersweet. Going to the show, it was fun. Like, getting to the show was fun. When we got to the show, it was even more fun. But you know, getting there, you know, I think we left, me and Chris, me and my guy Sullivan Vlogs, we left at like 11 a.m. And when it was me, Sullivan, and we just trailed. We was trailing each other to the parking. And we got to the parking. Man, they directed us to like 3-4 different locations. And the location they had on the website for the parking, we had orange parking. And when we got there, they directed us to another location. So it was like, you know, all right, bet we're gonna go to another location. We're gonna get out, you know, do what we gotta do. So that didn't even end right. We got prompt to like 3 different locations. Up to the last location, the line was so long, y'all. We were seeing everybody getting out the cars, walking up to the line. The line was like every bit of, if you ask me, like 3 miles long. 2.5 miles long, honestly, trying to get on the bus. And once we finally got, you know, to the bus and on the bus, we waited in the line for about a good 3 hours. Long story short, we get to the show. We get on the bus, we get to the show. I'm recording the whole day, y'all. I'm recording everything I can record, to be honest. And you know, I'm like, all right, bet I'm see what I record, and okay, bam, boom. I'm like, I got that, and just for the, you know, we get, you know, the show over next day. You know, we heading back home. Everybody heading back home. I get home. I'm trying to, you know, I'm going through my videos. I don't know why I ain't do this before, y'all, but this camera, it do weird stuff like this, and I don't know why. But I'm, you know, uploading my videos to the laptop. I'm clicking each video. Each video is playing in slow motion.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Bro, I'm so teed off. So all I got is the pictures I got on my phone, small videos I got on my phone, which is not a lot. Everything is on the camera. I got a ZV-1F Sony, y'all. And for some reason, most of the time, or half of the time when you record, it record a video in slow motion. And I just don't understand why. But the show was good. I had a great experience. Me and my guy Sullivan Vlogs this was our first time coming. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I couldn't really just give y'all footage how I wanted to. And due to the camera situation, so I'm gonna try to upload what I can, and we're gonna go from there. I hate that some of the people that couldn't get in spent $250, lost their money due to the whole bus situation and waiting in line for hours and hours and hours, basically half a day getting in the show. But it is what it is. I just know next time the show starts at 11, I need to be there like 7, 8 a.m. that morning. So with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna try to give y'all the content. I'm gonna try to make something about it, and we're gonna get to it. So it's your boy 901 Trey checking out. Let's go.